Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. The Outdoor Advertising Association is calling for stronger enforcement against persons who mount illegal signs and billboards in and around the corporate area. At a recent meeting with representatives of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, the association said not only is it an eyesore, but it's hurting their business. We have the details from Alia Bryant.
Stakeholders in the signage industry within the Kingston and St. Andrew region say unauthorized signs and billboards are rapidly appearing along roadways, utility poles, and other areas not approved for advertising. President of the Outdoor Advertising Association of Jamaica, Raul Duaney, argues that the situation is not only hurting legitimate businesses, but is also contributing to an unsightly environment across the corporate area. They took the issue to the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation.
KSMAC is on a drive to remove some of this signage, as well as work with the Outdoor Signage Association of Jamaica to bring some form of regularization to it.
Chairman of Print Group Companies, Stephen Steele, says existing signage regulations need to be updated as more people turn to outdoor advertising to promote events and businesses.
Laws are to me, a living, breathing document that should reflect the collective consciousness at the time. So therefore, in 1978, we're now in 2026, right? A lot of years has passed. So a lot of these regulations really need to be upgraded to reflect the collective consciousness of today's reality in terms of road infrastructure, population growth, growth in cities, just growth on a whole.
Chairman of the KSAMC, Andrew Swaby, says the issues raised are being reviewed and steps will be taken to address them.
I had given a commitment to them that we will be meeting on a quarterly basis. This is the first meeting since then. It came at interesting times because we had the campaign taking place. We have also agreed in the same breath that we will have some public submissions. So whatever we have talked about, we will bring it to the public.
Alia Bryant, TVJ News.